how to hide birthday in Facebook. In order to do that, click right here onto your three lines. And click on this gear icon right here. Then click on the search settings and then search in here for birthday. So let's search in here for that. Then you can see this. So you can click on your birthdays right here. And then you can see this notifications only. So you can head over and click on this another birthday that we have right here. So as you can see, we already have also this right here. So once you're done with that, you can go to your Meta Account Center and click on this personal details and click on your birthday right here. And then you can choose your birthday. Now you can also make that private by clicking on the search settings and searching in here for privacy. So let's search in here for privacy. And we have in here this profile, all of these things right here, privacy checkup as well, and all of the things right here. So click on this privacy checkup, and then you should be able to see in here the birthday option in order to turn that off. So that's how you hide birthday in Facebook. Hope we help.